Hi, good morning. Am I audible? Thank you. Okay. So the last class we discussed about what it is. Yes, mouse and keyboard events. Very good. And also we have seen click event and change event. Different examples. Okay, fine. Now in today's session, we will be starting a new concept. That is what we call it as pipes. Pipes. Okay, a new concept that what I am starting today. That is the pipe. We have around 30 events are there, Sudhamani, but it is not possible, right, to explain all the 30. I have explained change, click, mouse over, mouse out, mouse move. Okay, key up, key press, around 7 I have explained, and remaining also the same. Understood. But coming to, let's say, form events like focus, blur, those things that again we will see like with a different example by combining in another topic, and then I can use it. Okay, I will show you that. Okay, yeah, very good. My sincere suggestion is like not only from that angular, any subject like whatever you're learning, learn the concept, learn that approach is very important. Okay, if you can like an example, learn like an example, then you will be understanding only that example. Only that example, guys. If you can learn anything like an example, you can learn only that example only. Same requirement, if I'm giving differently also, you people may not go. You people may not be completed. That is why learn the concept. Now, what is meant by general simple thing I'm telling you. Generally, yesterday we discussed about event handling, last two sessions. What is meant by an event? Event is something like click is an event, change is an event, right? And then mouse over is an event. And then mouse move we have seen. Okay, mouse move we have seen. And at the same time, we have seen, yes, key up and then key press. These are the events that we have seen, right, generally. Now whenever this is going to be happen, now we are going to call a function, right? Now what I am doing, maybe when user click on a button, we call a function that is login. Now here, whenever if user has select a different one, we call change category. If you can remember the shopping example that I have shared with you, there I use the change event also in the drop down. And whenever user keep mouse over there, then what you want to do, maybe I can call some different function. So here, like whatever I'm doing, this is an event, and this is going to be an event handler. Event handler. That means whenever an event is happen, how you are going to handle it by writing a function. That means you can write a function and you can handle it. That's it. So learn like in that way so that you never fail, like, face any challenges. But if you can learn like an example, even though if I explain like 30 example, then every example is unique in your niche. Okay, my sincere suggestion. Anyone wants to follow, you can. Otherwise, no, Srikanth, I'll practice only these examples. Mean Yes, you can practice, but understand the concept, that is important. Okay, understand the concept, that is important. Okay, leave about it. So today's session we will see completely how do we work with the concept of what pipes, that what I can say. What happened to this? What happened? Right. Now the next example is going to be pipe. Now what is mean by a pipe? A pipe is a function which is used, okay, which is used to transform the values while displaying in UI. That is the HTML, simple terms. Now, what is mean by a pipe? I can say that pipe is nothing but a function. Okay, it's a simple functionality. Now, what it will do? It is used to transform. It is used to transform the values whenever if you wanted to display. Simple term, a pipe is used to transform the data. That means it is used to change the format of displaying. Simple terms, I can say it is mainly used to transform the transform the format of the data. Format of the data. It is mainly used to transform the format of the data that we are having. Generally, like what are the, I mean, we have like many built-in pipes are available. I'm going to show you the built-in pipes, and at the same time I'm going to show you like how we can create our own pipe also. Don't worry. I missed a concept, that is a custom directive. It was not covered. I'll just take the custom directive and custom pipe in one session. That is only the reason where I haven't discussed over there. But don't worry, we will be discussing custom directives and custom pipe together in one session. Okay, it's completely the custom directives. Now, what I can do, what a pipe can do, a pipe is available in two ways. Either you can use the built-in pipe or you can create the custom pipes. That means we can have two types. We can have what? Two types. One is going to be built-in. Built-in is available. Another one is going to be, we have the custom pipes are available. When I say about the built-in, built-in is nothing but it's a predefined. What are the predefined pipes are available? Uppercase is available, and then lowercase is available, and then title case is available, and then number is available, and then currency is available. Okay, and then date, and then we have what? JSON is the pipe that we are having. Understand? If you want, you can just go to the angular.io, and here if you can search for the pipes, okay, if you can give like the pipe here, there you can find like different pipes over there. You can see this pipe references. Pipes. Yeah, otherwise you can see here currency pipe, date pipe, config, decimal pipe. Okay, like that, uppercase and lowercase. JSON pipe is available. See this. Okay, JSON pipe is available. Like that, many pipes are available. Those are what we call it as built-in pipes, like uppercase, lowercase, title case, number is one pipe, currency, date, and then JSON. Slice is a pipe, and also I18 select is a pipe. These are like the new pipes, and at the same time, percent is available, and at the same time, I18 n plural, I guess. Okay, plural is the pipe that we are having. So these many pipes are there. Okay, these many pipes are there. Built-in pipes, that means which are provided by the Angular. If above pipes are not meet our requirements, then we will create a custom pipe. So how to create a custom pipe and how to create a custom directive, as I told you, like we will see, like in one session. You don't need to worry about. Now, how we can apply a pipe generally? Pipes can be applied with interpolation syntax. Interpolation syntax. So the syntax is going to be something like this. How we can make use of it is simply I use that interpolation syntax, and then you can give the property that what you wanted to give, and on the top of it we can give the pipe name. Whatever the pipe you people wants to give, you can just give the particular pipe name. That's it. Understood? You can give the pipe name. Now, how I can do that one? Just let's say an example. And for that, I'll go to my D drive, and there we have full stack Angular example, and we have that Angular example. And now here, let me open a command prompt. I wanted to create a new application for this. How do I do that one? New application. What is the command to create a new application here? ng, tell me, what is the command, guys? ng, very good, g, and then we wanted to create an application. Okay, and the name of that application is going to be pipes demo, that what I can give, and then click on OK. It is asking me to add the routing. Yes, I can say, and then add the CSS. Okay. Now what I just want to do, I'll go to my application. I mean, just open with the help of command prompt. That's it. Visual Studio Code, nothing apart from that. I created like this, and then I'll open and close all. And here you can see we have the project, and from this project we have the pipes demo is available, and from here SRC is available. There we have the tab, and here only we wanted to have everything. So that right click on here and open in a integrated terminal. Okay, open it in a integrated terminal, that what I can see. Now what I want to do is I'm going to create a component. Very good. So let's say ngg c for the component, and then pipes example, that what, or else let's say pipes demo, that what I can use hyphen skip hyphen test, that what I can say. And also I'll go to my styles.css, and where I can import the bootstrap. So that let's give node modules, and here I'll be using the bootstrap dist css, and where I can say bootstrap.css, that what I can give. At the same time, I am using an import statement one more time, where I can say src, sorry, node modules, and then I'll go with the bootstrap icon, where I can say the font and bootstrap, that what I can say. That's it. So this is how it is going to be. The very basic sanity is done at this moment. And after completing that, you can go to the app, and there we have the TS file. And here I can copy my selector, go to the index.html, and here I'm going to give, in place of app root, let's give the pipes demo. And at the same time, I'll go to my module, and here in the module, let's go with pipes. I'm sorry, pipes demo component. Now everything is ready. Let me start execution. I'll clear my screen. NGS-O hyphen project is equal to whatever the project name you wanted to give. You can just give it over there. I'll be giving pipes. What is the project name? Pipes demo. These are all like, the basic things that we have done, and we are able to see like, that out. Okay, right. Now I'm going to apply the pipes like one by one. So the first pipe is going to be, I'll be using the very basic pipe, that is the uppercase. Generally, what is the purpose of an uppercase? It is used to convert, to convert all the strings in uppercase. Okay, all the strings in uppercase. When I say about the lowercase, the same thing. Lowercase is used to convert all the strings in lower format. That means all the strings in lowercase, I can say. Now you can see, I'm going to create a simple property here. The property is going to be, let's say, public name is the property that what I can give, which is of type, I'll be writing string is equal to, I'll be giving my name over here. So now here you can see the way how I'm giving like, the first letter is capital, and the remaining letters are going to be in small letters that what I have given. So this is the original data that what I am having. Now how we can display this data in the HTML? Tell me how we can display this data in the HTML. I'll take a div where it contains the class as container. Now how I can display this data? Tell me. By using which syntax? Interpolation, right? Very good. By using an interpolation, we can. So that what I can do, I'll just go to here. Okay, I'll use an interpolation syntax. So the first thing is going to be, maybe I can say an li. Okay, ordered list, I can say ordered list, that what I can give. And here I'll be using an li. Okay, I'll be using an li, and I'm going to display the name. So how I can do that? Simply the time when I'm giving the name here and save it and then come back here, you can see I'm able to see like, the Srikanth as the name. But I want to apply a pipe that is going to be an uppercase, or else let's say I just wanted to apply a lowercase, or I wanted to apply title case. That is what my requirement. So how I can do that? Use the pipe symbol. Okay, use the pipe symbol and give the pipe name, that is uppercase. That time when I'm giving uppercase here, now you can see everything will become in uppercase or not. Tell me, right? That means without modifying the value, okay, to the end user, we are converting the value into the format and then giving. That is what, like, the pipe. A pipe is used to transform the data without modifying the original value. That means the original value is this only. Okay, I'm not changing this value. Rather, what I can do at the time of displaying it to the user, I'm going to follow a different transformation. And at the same time, this is the one. And then let's come back here and use it for the next one. So what is the next one? I'll copy this and then giving it over there. Now maybe I can say lowercase that what I can give and save that application, and now you can see everything will become into lowercase. Suppose let's say I just wanted to give a title case. Now what I can do here, maybe Shrikant Angular. Okay, I'm writing something like this: Angular trainer. Okay, trainer that what I have written. Okay, trainer that what I have written, and save this. Now you can see I'm having Shrikant Angular trainer in uppercase. Everything I'm able to see that in the lower case. At the same time, this is how the format is, but I wanted to use like another pipe that is title case. So how I can do that one? Simply let's go with the name, and here I'm going to write something like a title case. The time when I'm giving the title case, now you can see every word, the first letter would be in the capital. Understood? Tell me. Yes or no? Hello. Right? Very good. Same. The purpose is this one, right? Now you can see, you can apply any pipe. Suppose let's say I have a requirement. I'm going to have something like this public. Let's say I have a price. Generally price is of type number is equal to, someone is asking me, I guess like whenever we are calculating the marks, let's say maybe 3000. Okay, it's a price, right? 500 point. When I give something like this is a number that what I am having. Okay, a price that what I am having. And here you people wants to display only what, two decimal after that. Then what I can do, generally if I'll be using a pipe, now you can see I'm using an li, and here if I'll be writing a price here and save this once and then come back here, it will be displaying as it is, right? Yes or no? So I'll give a class is equal to list style none. One second. List group. I'll apply these bootstrap classes so that it would be good for the visibility. Right. Now you can see this is good now. Now you can see by default it is displaying something like this. But I don't want to display like in this way. Rather, I can give only the two decimal value. Then what I can do, we will be using a pipe here also again. Okay, we will be using a pipe here. So how to give? Simply for this pipe, okay, for this price, I'm giving here it as a number. When I save it and then come back here, now you can see it comes something like this, 34 and 500, something like this. Understand? So that is the one. And the next one, suppose right now here you can see we have three digits are available, but I don't want to get like, three digits here. Rather, I can go with only two. Then what I can do, simply give a colon. Generally, this is what we call it as a options. Giving that options are like, optional. It's completely optional. But if you wanted to give, you can. Now, what I'm trying to do, I'm giving 0.2. Okay, now this time you can see what happened. What happened? Number zero. 2, when I give 5, now you can see it is displaying like 5 items. But when I give 2, let's save it. Why it is not displaying only 2? When I give 3, 3 is also having the same. When I give 1, okay, I'll just explain you with another one. But these are what we call it as an options. That means you can give a colon and then following with okay, and then following with what options. Whatever that options you wanted to provide, you can provide it over there. And the next one here is going to be, let's say, title case is used to display the title, and then we have the currency. Currency is used to display the currency symbol. Right now, you can see maybe I can give only the two values here. Let's say 98 or whatever I can give. This is how it is going to be. Maybe I can say 3450 or whatever. This is a simple value that what I have given over there. Now, what I just want to do is I'm going to apply a currency. By default, you see, I'll copy this and then giving it over there. When I give the price and remove this number and save this once, now you can see how it would be. It is displaying something like this 3450 and then 98. But what it is a rupee or it is a dollar. We don't have anything, right? Yes or no? From the DB, we are getting the data like in this way. Just assume that, but we don't know like what exactly it is. Either it is a number or it is a let's say a price, or it is going to be something else. Either it is a rupee or it is a dollar or it is a pound. We don't have any clarity. For that reason, we have a pipe that is what we call it as a currency is available. When I use the currency, by default, it is displaying a dollar for us. Understand? By default, it is showing me a dollar over here. It is showing me as a dollar. But Shrikant, can we change it dollar to something else? Yes, you can do that. So how I can do that one? You can provide that option. And what option? Maybe I can give INR. When I give Indian rupee, now you can see it is attached with the Indian currency. Understand? So all these are like ISO codes generally. Currency ISO codes, that what we call ISO codes. Most of the codes are supported. Okay, most of currency codes are supported, but few may not be supported. We can't do anything. If that is the case, you have to change it. Okay, let's say currency codes. We have like lot of currency codes are available. See this. Suppose let's say, I mean, we have like different currency. AED, ADM, like that we are having different. Suppose let's say I wanted to apply a euro, then you can copy this euro and then in place of INR, you can give, save this and then come back here. You can see euro is getting applied. Understand? Euro is getting applied. Like that, you can provide like, different options. You can give the price and then give a pipe that is the currency and what type of currency you wanted to give. Maybe if I give like INR, there I can provide a Indian rupee. Clear na? Clear about it. Tell me. Right? Okay, very good. And the next one is going to be, uh, let's say, what is the next one we are having? You see, date is available. Date is also the same. Let's say I'm going to have a date here, public, public, let's say manufactured date, and which is of type date I can give is equal to, I'll be using new date, and here you can provide the date. I'll be writing, let's say, in string format 2023. Okay, and then I'm giving month and after that I'm giving, sorry, this is what 2023 04, and then 28, that what I can give, 28, that what I can give. This is how, like, the dates are going to be specified in Angular. Okay, now you can see without using number pipe itself. Okay, just for now you can observe this. If I use the number, this is how it is, right? 3 comma 450.98 Sudhamani. Okay, but if I remove this pipe, number pipe, save it. Do we have a comma separated value here? That is the difference. Okay, that is a simple difference only. Yes. Yes. Now after that, the next one is going to be, I want to display the date first of all as it is, so that let me give manufactured, and here I don't want to give, like, the currency. Let me remove it, and then you can display. This is how it is going to be. It's Friday, April 28, 2023, and 5:30 GMT plus 5:30 Indian Standard Time. That is how it is going to be displayed. But now what I want to do, I'm going to apply a pipe that is going to be a date pipe I can give. When I say about the date pipe, now you can see it is giving me April 28th, 2023, that what we are having. And after that onwards, whatever like you wanted to give, you can provide that options. Now I can have an option, something like, let's say, when I'm giving short, save it and then come back here, it is showing me something like this. And another format, maybe I can go with, let's say, long is the format I can give. Now you can see it is displaying the long time. At the same time, when I'm giving, let's say, full, if I'll be using, and save this application once and then come back here, you can see it is displaying full date format. That means with respect to the date, we have, like, many options are available. The options are going to be, okay, the options are going to be something like this. You can give, let's say, short is one option, and at the same time, long is one option, and at the same time, let's say, full is another option, and at the same time, we have short date is one option, and at the same time, long date is another option that we are having, and then full date is one option. And also, if you can give only DD, which will display the day, and if you can give only which will display the month, if you can give year, which will display that year, like that, it will be displaying. Understood? Okay. So this is how it is going. The date format. The date time is showing. It's a GMT plus 5:30. I don't know exactly why it is going to be. Okay. But we have time is also there. I guess, let's say date pipe. We have like lot of options, guys. Date pipe, Angular. If you can open, like, the date pipe, now you can see date pipe. If you can go, we have, like, different versions you can find. See this short to medium or long, full, short day to short time. Maybe I can say short time. Now you can just apply that, save it, and then come to the output. Now it is showing me 5:30. Yes, we can apply multiple pipes. We can apply multiple pipes. Yes. Okay. Yes, we can apply. That is what I'm telling you. We can apply multiple pipes at once. That's up to you. Okay, we can apply. I will show you a kind of example also. Don't worry. Okay. Yep. So this is all about the date. Okay. You give value. That is what I'm telling you, man. I'm just giving like the date might be like it is picking the time from the system. Okay, you can give like the current time so that it might come definitely. Okay, it definitely come. You may try that. Okay, you may try that. It's a simple one only. You can get just to give a date and time, and then you can try. Definitely, it will come. So that is all about like the date pipe is available. And in the next one, we have like the percent pipe is available. Percentage. So how it is going to be? Let me show you. Percent is also one pipe that we have. Maybe let's say public rate I can give, and the type as going to be number is equal to, suppose if I'll be writing something like 0.245. Okay, yeah, percentile. Generally, like how it is going to be displayed, just you may give it here, and then here, let's give rate over there. Let's give rate over here and save it, and then you can come back here. Now it is displaying something like 0.245. But in place of that, what I can do, I'm going to use a percent and save it once. And now you can see 25%. Understood? Hello. Earlier, like, without applying the pipe, okay, without applying the pipe, now you can see this is how it is 0.245. But once if I give like a pipe over here, okay, once if I give a pipe over here, that is the percent. Simply, I can say percent if I am using and save it. Now this time you can see it will become as a 25%. So that is how it is going to be. And the next one, what we are having, JSON is available. Okay, percent I have kept here. Okay. And the next one is going to be JSON is available. Generally, JSON is used to convert like, that objects in desired format. Suppose let's say, generally, if I'll be creating an object, maybe I can say public, I'm going to create an object that is the product, okay, which is of type, which is having like, the two things. First one is going to be the name, and second one is going to be the price that what we are having is equal to. Now I'm going to give the name as going to be, okay, I'm going to give the name as going to be, maybe let's say 1 plus, and at the same time, let's give the price as going to be 23K or something. So this is what I have given. Directly, if I'm displaying this object, okay, if I'm displaying this object here, now see what happened. When I'm removing this and then give a product over here, now you see the front end how it is displaying. It is displaying like an object. Okay, it is displaying like an object. But instead of doing that, what I can do, I'm going to apply a pipe, that is a JSON pipe I can do. That time when I'm giving the JSON pipe, it is displaying as a JSON object. Understood? That object format into JSON, if you wanted to convert, there you can use the JSON. JSON itself, it is a pipe, and we can make use of. Okay. Uh, and what we have next pipe is what? Slice is available. Slice is something like cutting. Let's say I have something like public, and then we have uh, message, and the message is going to be welcome to Naresh IT is the message. Okay, which is of type string. I'm giving like this. Generally, like how this message would be displayed as it is, like the way how we have over there, it will be displayed as it is. Now what I can do, and I'm giving a message over here and then save it. Now you can see welcome to Naresh IT that we are having. But now I don't want to display everything. Rather, I'm going to display a particular value. Okay, from like particular value and few characters only I just want to display. Then what I can do, we go with slice, and here from where you want to display that you can specify. I'm going to display from 0 to 7. That's it. When I'm giving that, earlier it is displaying everything, but now you can see I'm able to see only a welcome and Naresh IT. Welcome to Naresh IT is gone because it was sliced. The first character, first option is going to be from where you wanted to pick it up and then till where you wanted to take. I start with 0 index and end with 7th index. So that is where it start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it is taking the space as well into the 7th one. That is how it is. Slice is the purpose of it. Clear? Hello. Right. Mm, Predefined. Let's see few more predefined. I guess key value is slice means cutting slices. What is meant by slice mean cutting. And we have a new pipe which was there key value, I guess. Key value pipe. Yeah, this one. This is the new one. Key value pipe. Transform the object or map into an array of key value pairs. Input expression and key value and compare function. What is the key and what is the value? And okay, the same example I can tell you the same example. Okay, just you can see we have an object where it contains different data, right? We have the key and number, and you can give the keys and you can give the values. Suppose like if you want to display the key and value both together, there you can use what ng for again. So I mean there you can use key value pipe is available. So how to use it here? Let's say we have the product is available, right? Um, Otherwise, I'll create an array. Public courses is the name that what I can give. And this is an array. I'm creating it as going to be a string array is equal to where I can have the data. That is C#.NET. And then let me give VB.NET and let's give JSharp.NET. I have something like this. And then I'll give Java and then let me give Angular. Okay, these are the items that what I am having. Generally, like how we are going to display these items, tell me. Generally, like how we can display that items. How we can display that items, tell me. We definitely use an li tag, and for this li, we go with what? A directive that is ng for where item of whatever the name we are having, we can give it over there, and then we can display the item over here, right? Yes or no? That means we use what? Simply, why we have an array? Okay, I use the let keyword, let item of courses, right? Let item of courses, and then when I'm giving an item here, now you can see I'm able to display all the data. Okay, it's perfectly fine, working perfectly fine. Now what I want to do, I'm going to display the key and value both. Okay, key and value both. So that what I can do here, use a pipe. I am using the pipe, and here key value has to be given. That time when I'm giving the key value here, you can display the key separately, you can display the value separately. Now what I can do, item dot, I'll be giving the key, and at the same time, I'm going to give item dot, item dot value that what I can use. That's it. Now save this. Now this time you can see we have a key. Key is nothing but an index only, right? When it comes to an array, key is an index. Now index is starting with 0. So that is where it is showing me 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the values are going to be C sharp VB, J sharp, something like this. Clear now? That is what, like, the key value, it's a new one. Again, key value is a new one, which will be used to display what would be the key and what would be the value. If we can, I mean, which one, this one is very much helpful. Like whenever if you're having, let's say, some object data, then at that time it could be very much useful. Clear? Still we have few more. I mean, for this one only, we have like, two more pipes are available. The first one is going to be I18. I mean, all these are like we are not using frequently. That is there, like, I didn't remember exactly the name. I18. See this select pipe is available. I18N. Generic selector that display the string that matches the current value. Okay. So that means it is accepting some input value, and based upon that, like, it will be displayed. I will show you by taking a good example. Maybe what I can do is, one second. Okay. What I can do is, I'm going to display, let's say, a simple example here to demonstrate. Mm, I have like, the list of products. Maybe I can say public. We have the products are available. And here I'm going to have like, the name of the product here. And after that, the next one is going to be ship to is the one that what I am giving, which is of type string. So this could be an array where you can have multiple values. So that I can give a name. Name is going to be, let me write something like Samsung, comma, ship to. Now you can just give something like Delhi or something. This is the one. And at the same time, we will be having another project here, product. See there, another one here. And this is going to be, let's say, mobile. Okay, this is a mobile, and I'm going to ship it to Hyderabad. There is another one that what I am using, let's say, smartwatch, and this is going to be shipped to, let's say, Goa or something. And the next one is going to be t-shirt, and I just wanted to ship it to Mumbai. So generally, based on the location, that shipping time might vary, right? Suppose let's say it's Hyderabad, same day. If it is Mumbai, might be same day, but Goa it might take 2 days, and Delhi it might take 3 days or 4 days. Like that, I want to display. So that what I can do, I'll create public status that what I can give. Okay, status, and the type I'm giving it as going to be any is equal to. Now here what I can do is, suppose let's say if it is Delhi, and I'm giving a message to the user, delivery in 2 days. This is the one. And the next one is going to be, suppose if it is a Hyderabad, same day. And suppose let's say I'm having Mumbai, I'll be giving, let's say, 1 day. For anything rest, I'm giving, let's say, other. I'll display generic message dispatched 3 to 4 working days. Okay, this is how it is going to be. I created a products object. It's basically an array where it contains the item and where it is going to be shipped. And based on the status, how much time it is taking to deliver that item, I'm creating another object and there I'm going to display. Now, how I can display that particular data? Now, for that, what I can do is I'm going to use, let's say, a table over here. Okay, I'll be taking a table. Let's have a div. And here I'll be taking a table and then let me give table and table hyphen over that what I can say. And here, uh, what I can do, T head that what I am using, I'm going to provide the headers. TH I can say name is available. And after that, the next one is going to be uh, where it is going to be shipped. That is the city, and at the same time, delivery status. Delivery status I can say. Okay, these are the three items that what I'm creating. And here I'll be taking T body where I can say TR. Now I'm going to get that particular one. So how I can do that one? First of all, with this particular TR, we are going to get the data. NG for is equal to let I'm having the product of where it is available. It is available under the products. So that I can copy this. Okay, I can copy this and then giving it over. Each and every time, like we will be getting one product over here, so that I can say TD and then let me give product dot name that what I can give. That is the first one. And at the same time, another TD where I can say product dot what it is shipped to is available. I can display that one as well. And then based upon this, based upon this, we want to display the status. We wanted to get the status from this, right? That is what my requirement. So how I can do that one? In order to do that one, I use a pipe. To know this data taken table, this data taken. Basic. Okay. Now you can see I'll be taking a TD here. I'm going to display the product status. So how I can do that? First of all, let me give product dot ship to. Now for this one, I'm going to apply a pipe that is going to be I18 select is the pipe. and based on what you want to display, I'm going to display this based on this particular status object. That means here in ship to, we have the city information, Delhi, Goa, something that what we are having here in this object. You can see that I have like, Delhi, Hyderabad, Goa, Mumbai, like that I'm having that information. Now I'm going to compare this particular ship to with the help of what? The status here. Now, whenever it matches, suppose Delhi matches, then what happen? It is displaying delivery in 2 days. Suppose Hyderabad is matches, then it is displaying in same day delivery. Suppose if it is Mumbai, then 1 day delivery. If it is like any other than that, these three, then it is dispatched in 3 to 4 days. That is how it is going to be. That means whenever if you wanted to go for a comparison in between the two, there you can use I18N select pipe is available. Now you can save it, and now you can see that output also. See that. Clear now? Delhi in 2 days, Hyderabad same day, and then Goa dispatched in 3 to 4 working days, and Mumbai if you can take 1 day delivery. Okay. Yeah. These are like all built-in pipes. These are all like the built-in pipes that we have. Okay. So for you, the assignment is we have another pipe that is I18N plural is there, right? I18N plural is one pipe is available. Just you can prepare an example. I mean, don't prepare yourself. You can ask the Google. Google will give you I18N plural. Okay. I18N plural is the pipe that we are having. Just you can try an example because it is like I can say that like it is not it is important only, but not that much. Okay, you can just try by yourself how it can be used. We have like different examples that you can find. Try yourself like how we can make use of. Okay, na? The only one pipe I'm giving you as an example. Nothing apart from that. Only one pipe only I have given. Remaining almost I covered like everything. Only one I have given you as an assignment. I18 plural. Okay. Right. So all these are what like predefined pipes. That means we have seen like different pipes here. You can observe. If you can see here, if you can observe that. 1 second, please. Now you can observe that here. I use like different pipes which are available. Uppercase pipe, lowercase, title, number, currency, date, percent, JSON, slice, key value. And after that, you see I18 and select. Like that, I used different pipes here. But all these pipes are okay, and it provides some default behavior. Suppose you wanted to maintain a custom behavior. Did you understand? I just wanted to go with a custom behavior. Then you can create your understood. That means these are all like the predefined, which can be used like whenever the requirement comes. But when I say about the project to project, the requirement might be changed. Okay, the requirement might be changed. The requirement may be changed in the sense. Let's say I have a requirement. I'm going to have like all the list of employees, and whenever like if the gender is going to be male, then I'm before the name I'm giving Mr. Whenever the gender is going to be female, I'm going to give miss. Do we have a pipe for that one? Tell me. Do we have a pipe for that? That means if it is a male, I want to display Mr. If it is a female, I'm going to display Miss. That is what my requirement. For that requirement, we don't have a predefined pipe. Then at that time, what you can do, you can create your own pipe, and that pipe, what we call it as a custom pipe. Understood? That pipe, what we call it as custom pipe. Now, what exactly the custom pipe here? Custom pipe is nothing but okay, custom pipes. Custom pipe. Now, what is a custom pipe? It is a class. It is a class which is created with at the rate pipe decorator. It is created with the help of at the rate pipe decorator. That means if you wanted to create a component, which decorator we used? If you wanted to create a component, which decorator? We use at the rate component or not, right? In the same way, a pipe is also going to be a class which is created with the help of at the rate pipe decorator. Understand? At the rate pipe decorator, that what we are having. And every pipe class must be inherited from a interface, that is what we call it as a pipe transform, must be inherited from a base, that is what we call it as a pipe transform is available. Now what is the purpose of it? Pipe transform is used to convert the normal class into a pipe. Now this interface will contain one method, that is the transform method. That means pipe transform interface is having one method. Okay, is having one method, that is one method it contains, that is what we call it as a transform is available. Transform method is available, and we are going to provide the implementation to this method. Whatever the custom logic you people wants to write, you may write that custom logic over here. That's it. Understood? Whatever the logic you people wants to write, you can write it over there. That is how it is going to be. Now how we can use it, just let me show you with an example. um, let's say let's say I'm creating a pipe, and another thing is to generate the pipe by using Angular CLI. We use a command, that is ng g for generate pipe, and then name of the pipe, that what I can give. Okay, name of the pipe, that what I can give. That's it. So that is how it is going to. Understood? Now what I want to do is, let me show you with an example. Now here, let me close all together. Go to the app here, and right click, and then go to the terminal. And here what I can do is, I'm going to generate a pipe over there. So how I can generate? As I told you the command, ng g for generate pipe, and the name of the pipe can be anything that you can give. That's up to you. Okay, whatever the pipe that you wanted to give, you can just give that particular pipe, that what you wanted to have. Now what I can do, I'm just giving my pipe name is going to be, let's say, title is the one that what I can give. Okay, title is the one that what I am giving. That's it. Nothing apart from that. Title is the name I can give, and then skip test I can say. Now you can see what happened. It is created. Okay, it's okay. Now you can see we have a pipe. Oh, sorry. I'll remove this. I'll remove this one as well. And then go to the module, delete it, and delete it here as. Okay, save it and everything good. Okay, everything good. Now I'm going to create a pipe here. Right click, open with integrated terminal, and where what I can do, I'm giving a command prompt, and now ngg pipe I wanted to create, and then the name of the pipe is going to be, maybe let's say title is the name that what I can give, hyphen skip hyphen test that what I can. Right, perfect. Now you see we have the pipe. Now you can observe that how it is going to be pipe and then pipe transform. These are the two things that we are having. Now in the pipe, like what we are having, the name of the pipe. What would be the name of the pipe? And now you can see what is a pipe here. It is a class, export class, and the name of the class is going to be title pipe. And then you can see here it is inherited from the pipe transform. Now here in the pipe transform, it contains like only one method, that is a transform method is available, and I'm going to make use of this particular one. So this is how it is going to be, right? Understood? Hello? Yes or no? Right. That means once you created the pipe, there you can give the title. I mean, there you can give the name. Whatever the name you wanted to give, you can give. And with that name only, we will be using the pipe in the UI. And at the same time, once you create the pipe, okay, once we create the pipe, it has to be registered in in module. Okay, module under the under declaration section. It has to be displayed, I mean registered in the module under the declaration section. There you supposed to give. That's it. So this is all about the custom pipe, and we will see an example in tomorrow's session. Okay, so it might take some time for us to complete that. So that is where I'll be explaining this example in tomorrow's session. Let me open the classroom and I'm going to paste. If any doubts you people are having, just please ask me. If there is no doubts, you may leave for the day. We'll continue tomorrow with custom pipe example and custom directives. Both examples we will see. Okay? Right.
ఐదు ఆరు ఉన్నాయి ఆరు ఉన్నట్టుంది ఆరు ఐదు నేను మెసేజ్ చేసిన ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పిందని లేకపోతే అక్కడ తిన్న చూద్దామని బయట వీడు వీడు నిద్రపోతుండాలని డైరెక్ట్ ఇడికి వచ్చిన లేకపోతే తర్వాత మీరు దేని చూద్దాం ఇడ్లీ అవుట్ సైడ్ అంటే అన్నట్టు పెట్టాడు అదే అదే 12:30 అయిపోతుంది ఇంకా టైం ఏమొస్తాడు ఇడికి ఇది ఆడే పడుతున్నా ఇవాళ సినిమా పోదా పోతా లేకపోతే ఏ జైన్ ఐమాక్స్ పోవాలి.
Right. I'll just explain you about this custom pipe in tomorrow's session. Example, we'll see it in tomorrow. Control C.
నైట్ చేయాలి మా పగులు
Control C you can use. Still we haven't discussed about this parent and child relation. I'll take a session Purna, don't worry. Okay. Okay, I can take child tag. If an application input and output is a parent child, which one is used parent component and which one is used in the child component? We can use like that at the rate input in the child component, and that can be accessed in the parent component. And at the rate output can be used with event emitter generally. Okay, that is used in the parent. Okay, that means parent should generate some event, and from there you can pass it. Okay, so that's it guys for the day. We'll continue tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.